Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn, how can we implement custom column search in Laravel 5.8 Datatable. There are some time, when inbuilt Datatable is not satisfy our data searching need. For example, suppose, we want to get only male data from list. Then in Datatable it will return female data also. This is because male word has been come under female word also, so at that time inbuilt search not working. For this we want to make custom search filter in Datatable. So, here we will step by step seen, how can we'll make custom search filter in Laravel 5.8 Datatable by using Ajax. Now let's start discussing this topic. This is our testing database, and here we one customer table, in which we have already inserted some customer data. We will first load this data in Datatable, and after this we will implement custom search filter. This is our Laravel 5.8 framework, working folder. First we want to make database connection. So, we have opened this .env file, and here we have defined MySQL database configuration, like host name set to localhost, database name set to testing, username set to root and password set to blank. Now we want to make controller, so we have go to command prompt, and here we have write this command. This command will make custom search controller file, under controllers folder. Now we have go to controllers folder, and we have opened this custom search controller file. Under this first we have write use statement with database class. This is for database operation. Now we want to download Yajra Datatables package in this Laravel application, so we have go to command prompt and write following command. This command will download Yajra Datatables package. In our Laravel application, it will take some time for download. After successfully download of Yajra Datatables package and install, now we have go to config folder, and open app.php file. In this file, we have to define service provider and alias details. This is required for use of Yajra Laravel Datatables package in this application. Now we have go to custom search controller, and under this, we have make one index function, with request argument. This is the root method of this controller class. Under this method, we have write $country name variable is equal to database class, with table method, and under this we have write customer table. After this, we have add select method, and under this we have write country table column name. It will select only country column name data only. After this, we have write group by method, and under this we have write country column name. It will select only unique country name from this column. For arrange country name in alphabetic order, so here we have write order by method, and under this we have write country column name, in ascending order. Lastly, we have write get method, it will execute this select query and return data in array format, which we have store under $country name variable. Now we want to send this data to view file, so here we have write return statement with view method, and under this first we have write custom search view file name. And in second argument, we have write compact method, and under this, we have write country name variable. By using this method, we can use country name variable, for fetch data from this variable. Now we have go to resources folder / views folder, and open custom search.blade.php file. In this file, we have already loaded jQuery library, Bootstrap library, and jQuery Datatable library. First here we have write select tag with name and ID is equal to, filter gender with two option like male and female. This filter is for filter male and female customer data. After this we have again write, select tag with name and ID is equal to filter country. By using this select box we can filter customer data by country. Now we want to fill this select box with data. So here we have write, at the rate for each expression, and under condition we have write, $country name variable as $country variable. First, we have close this Laravel expression loop, so here we have write at the rate end for each. Between this expression, we have write option tag, with value is equal to, open and close Laravel expression, and between this, we have write $country variable with country column name as object. It will print country name in value attribute, same way we want to print country name in option text, so here also we have write, Laravel expression. And between this we have write, $country variable with country column name as object. It will fill this select box with country list. For filter data table data, here we have write button type is equal to button, name and ID is equal to filter. By click on this button data table data will be filter. Same way for reset data table data, here we have write button type is equal to button, name and ID is equal to reset. By click on this button, data table data will be reset. Below this, here we have make one table with ID is equal to customer data. Here ID attribute we will use as selector in jQuery code. In this table, we have make 6 table column like customer name, gender, address, city, postal code, country. On this table we will initialize jQuery Datatables plugin. Now we have moved to write jQuery code, so here first we have make function with name fill data table with 2 argument like, filter gender is equal to blank, and filter country is equal to blank. Under this function, we have write data table variable is equal to, $with table ID customer data with data table method. This method will activate jQuery Datatable plugin on this customer data table. Under this method, we have write first option processing set to true. This option will enable the display of a processing indicator when the table is being processed. In second option, we have write server side set to true. This option will switch client side processing to server side processing. In third option, we have write Ajax, and under this we have write URL option, which has been set to Laravel expression. And between this expression, we have write root method, and under this we have write custom search.index. It will send Ajax request to index method of custom search controller. After this, we want to send filter gender and filter country data also, so here we have write data option, and here we have defined filter gender and filter country data, has been sent with Ajax request. Below this, we have write columns option, which has been used to define table column details. Under this array, we have write data option set to customer name, and name set to customer name. Here we have defined customer table column details. For gender table column data, here we have add new node with data option set to gender, and name option set to gender column name. Same way for display address table column data, here we have add new node with data option set to address, and name option set to address. After this for display city column data, here we have add new node with data option set to city table column name, and in name option set to city. For display postal code table column details, here we have add new node with data option set to postal code, and name option set to postal code. Lastly, we want to display country table column data, so here we have add new node with data option set to country table column name, and in name option set to country. Now we have moved to write PHP code, so we have go to index method of custom search controller, and here we have write if statement. And under condition we have write request method with Ajax method. This condition will be true if it has received Ajax request. Suppose this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write if statement, and under condition we have write not empty function with $request variable with filter gender variable. If this variable has some value, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $data variable is equal to database class with table method, and under this we have write customer table. It will make select query. After this, we have write select method, and under this we have defined table column like customer name, gender, address, city, postal code and country. Now we have write where method, and under this we have write gender table column name, and $request with filter gender object. It will add where condition under select query. For add another where condition, here we have write where method with country and $request with filter country object. It will add where condition for filter data based on country table column. Lastly, we have write get method. It will execute select query and return result in array format. But suppose filter gender variable has no value, then it will execute else block of code. So under this block, we have write $data variable is equal to database class with table method, and under this we have write customer table. After this, we have write select method, and under this we have defined table column like customer name, gender, address, city, postal code and country. Lastly, we have write get method. It will execute select query, and return result in array format. Now we have write return statement, with Datatables method. This method will make new instance of data table from source. After this, we have write of method, and under this we have write $data variable. Lastly, we have write make method, with argument set to true, it will return unsaved model instance. Now we have again go to custom search.blade.php file, and here we have called fill data table function, so when page has been load, this function has been called, it will load data in data table. For custom search, here we have write $with button ID filter, with click event, so when we have click on filter button, then this code will execute. Under this, we have write filter gender variable is equal to $with select box ID filter gender with value method. It will store filter gender select box value under this filter gender variable. Below this, we have write filter country variable is equal to $with select box ID to date with value method. It will store filter country select box value under this filter country variable. Now we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write filter gender variable value is not equal to blank, and filter country variable is not equal to blank. That means both variable must have value. If both variable has value, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $with table ID customer data, with data table method, with destroy method, it will destroy data table. After this, we have called fill data table method, with two argument like filter gender, and filter country. It will load custom search filter data in data table, based on search query. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and here we have write alert statement, with message like both field is required. This message will be pop up. Now we want to reset data table data after custom search filter. For this here we have write $with button ID reset, with click event, so when we have click on reset button, this code will execute. Under this, first we have write $with select box ID filter gender, with value method with blank value, it will clear filter gender select box value. After this, we have write $with select box ID filter country, with value method, with blank value, it will clear value of select box with ID filter country. Now we have write $with table ID customer table, with data table method, with destroy method, it will destroy data table data. After destroying of data, we have called fill datatable function. Without any argument, it will load latest all customer data in jQuery Datatable plugin. Now we want to set root of index method of custom search controller, so we have go to roots folder web.php file. Here we have write root class, with resource method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write custom search, and in second argument we have write custom search controller. This code will set root of index method of custom search controller. Now we want to run Laravel application. For this we have go to command prompt. In command prompt, here we have write PHP artisan serve command. It will start Laravel server, and return base URL of Laravel application. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we have write Laravel base URL / custom search, and here on web page we can see customer table data. In jQuery Datatable plugin, here we can perform operation like data sorting, searching, pagination and many more. Now we want to get male customer data in United States, so here we have select male from gender select box, and United States from country filter and click on filter button. After click on filter button, we can see United States male customer details on web page without refresh of web page. And here we can see jQuery Datatable functionality like pagination sorting is working. We have only removed default search text box for customer search. Same way, we want to get female customer details of Germany country, so we have select female from filter gender select box, and Germany from filter country select box and click on filter button. After click on filter button, we can see female Germany customer details on web page in Datatable without refresh of web page. Now we have not select any one option and click on filter button. So, this way we can implement custom search filter in Laravel 5.8 Datatable. If you are a new learner of Laravel framework with Datatable, then this video tutorial will help you to learn how make custom search in Laravel 5.8 Datatable. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.